In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an E*Trade debit card. The process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your card is ready for use. Once you've received your E*Trade debit card in the mail, you can proceed with activation. Remember, activation is required before you can make any transactions with your card. Let's start with the most common method, activating by phone. First, you need to call the number 833-681-3394. Make sure to use your primary phone number that is on file with E*Trade. This is important because the system will use this information to verify your identity and ensure security. You will then follow the automated prompts provided during the call. Next, you will be asked to enter your debit card number. This step ensures that the correct card is being activated. It's crucial to enter the numbers accurately. After that, the system will prompt you to provide some personal verification information. This might include your social security number or other security details you have set up with E*Trade. This step is essential for protecting your account against unauthorized access. After entering your verification details, you'll be asked to create or confirm your personal identification number, or PIN. This is a critical security feature that you'll use to authorize transactions. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you confirm your PIN, your card will be immediately active. You can rest assured that your card is now ready for use. If you happen to be outside the United States, there is an alternative method for activation. You can call the international line at +1-859-488-4128. Be aware that international call charges may apply. The steps for activation remain the same, so follow the prompts and provide the necessary information just as you would if you were in the US. Now, if you encounter any issues during activation, don't worry. There are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, double-check that the phone number you are using matches the one on your E*Trade profile. This is often a common reason for activation difficulties. Using the phone activation method is generally the most reliable way to activate your card, so ensure you are following this process correctly. If you're still facing problems, it's time to reach out for assistance. You can call E*Trade customer service at 1-800-387-2331. They are there to help resolve any issues and ensure your card is activated without further delay. At this point, you should have a good understanding of how to activate your E*Trade debit card. Keep your card and personal information secure throughout the process. Once activated, your card will be ready to use for all your financial needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to E*Trade support for further assistance. Enjoy using your E*Trade debit card with confidence.